So we're going to do the report, and what does the report ask us to do? Create a report that of elite races only, have them team up, have them group by team and rank, and base the points off. Okay, so you're going to make a query that answers this, and then base the report off that. So, create, query design, go away. Okay, so I'm going to have first name, last name, comic, number, wins, I guess, I'll put in there, and starts, and racing points, and then I'm going to have the team, and then I want to have, I need to have elite in there or not, and it's not in there. Can I add a query in here as well? Racer class, that's right. Will that work? No, does not work. Alrighty. Nope. Okay, let's look at what's in the racer class. Let's just go copy paste. And go reports, query. There we go. Okay, so team. So first name, last name, racing results. Racing points, yeah, I've got them in there. And I might have starts. And I've got whether they're elite or not, and then I'll have their team in here. Right, and we want to know criteria is if they are an elite racer. Run. Okay. I might put more of the results in. I think it'll look just a little bit nicer for the report then. So I'm going to have starts, wins, top 5s, top 10, DNF, laps leads, stage wins. Then I'll grab these two and shuffle them right to the end. If I can get there. Which I did. Run. Yeah, it's a bit nicer. All of these are quite short fields. So they should fit on the report, no worries. Right, close. Save changes, sure. Create. Report wizard. I'm going to base it off. Report query. Chuck everything in. Okay. How do you want to view them? By driver. Hold on. Reports. Group them by. Let's try it by driver. Hold on. Next. Do I have any groupings? That's the one I was wanting. By team grouping. Next. Summary options. I want to have summary of the racing points. And I might have a sum of the wins. Did I ask for that? Right. Okay. No, not by those class 1. No, by racing points. Yep. Next. Yeah, sure. I guess I'm going to call this Elite Races. Right, and we're going to go landscape. Close print preview. Right, so we'll stretch this out a wee bit. So, that's fine. It's really this. Grab this. That's okay. Right, just obviously getting all the things that are lining up. I'm just trying to get them to sit okay. And then we set a little bit of a preview. So those are sitting a lot nicer. I can get rid of all these stupid bits in between now. Summary. Nice, okay, so the summary stuff here we can lift up. And this can be shrunk up. Same with this. Just shift that one to there and shift that up. Alrighty, let's have a look now. That's sitting a wee bit better. Obviously, the second sum's out of a line, which is that one there. I think that's okay. Alrighty, so we're all pretty good there. They're all lined up pretty well-ish. Racing points. Let's get them sitting there. Yeah, that looks much better. Okay, so we're going to grab all this and tell to format to center line. And that just makes things sit so much nicer. We're going to grab everything and then we're going to Century Gothic. You're so surprised. And then I'm just going to select everything else with the title of it, size 10. These I'll go bold. These ones here I'm going to bold. access sums. Probably bold that one too, I guess. Bold on these ones here. I can then use that same color theme that I've been using throughout the whole thing. Right. These ones here, I am going to arrange. Yeah. No. What's format? Shape, outline, color. Transparent. Right. Just adjust it down a wee bit. Right, and then we can grab our lines, because our lines are very helpful in this setting in particular. So I just take it from there to there. Grab this one, drop this one down. And grab the line and just copy paste it, because it just means they're all the same length. Copy, click in here, paste, and it jumps in there. It's lined up on that edge there. There's 2 grand totals in there. Put that down. Then I should have a paste line in there. And I grab a bit more space underneath, and then I can paste that line in again. Paste that line in again, because it's double whammy for the finishing line. Right, and then let's have a view. So I've got the sums. Those obviously need to be bigger. So I've had a look through there. I don't know why I need 2 sums. It seems to be big. So team footer, first name footer. We'll take one of these footers. Right, sleeves. Close that right up. That should get that, and then the team name should be there. Take a look. I just need to move the sums and that across. Team Pensk. See, why are these not grouped by team? This should be Pensk. It isn't grouped the way I want. Well, we can see the layout. I need to play with the this, because I got Pensk. I want to have right. Sure, save. Create form wizard. I should have paid attention to that a lot quicker. Right. Report query. Yeah. What am I doing? Report wizard. Report query. Yeah. By team. I think that'll make all the difference. Just do a little bit of cleanup. So you got the team there. So you got Stuart Hask, 2 in there. Team Pence got 3 in there. Yeah, that's much better. Much better. Right. So I'll fluff with it for 2 minutes because I can't help myself, but you'll get the idea. Right. I'll just show you in here quickly. See how this says equals sum bracket wins. If you do the something in the report, this field shows up, which is good. If for some reason it's, you got one summing and you needed to sum 2 things, you can actually just chuck in a box and work it out. Like, just get rid of this box here, don't need that. And I can say equals sum, open close normal brackets, then I refer to the field. So if I'm going to say DNF, right? I run this, my DNF 4, so if I go through this one here, so I've got 448, so you can see it's working. Let's shrink our wins back up to line up with our wins. That, and you get the idea. But that there was size. Okay. Right. That there is what I was after. Obviously, get rid of this and change these so I can see names need to fit in, I think. Are they fitting in? No, they're all fitting in. Yeah. So you go stage wins, obviously not quite fitting in, so I need to pull them laps leads just fitting in. And then, so yeah, let's just move them across a wee bit and see if that's enough to squeeze that in. And then this is what I tend to do. Actually, pretty much everything, yeah. Format, centered. And now have a look. Just lining up wise, it should be a lot nicer. But yeah, it's just trying to get those things lined up. And your pretty formats and everything. So there you go. There's your reports done. We'll assume that I've made this pretty later on. And I did get my report correct in the end. Report shows totals, which are these sum totals. Yes. Oh, did I do my before and after with my... No, I didn't. So yeah, so I'd take my screenshot of this, and then I'd just generate another report of it being all pig-eared, and then chuck them into the OneNote to see the before and after for the report. And then yeah, that's it. So besides this being cheeky, I've done all those, I've done the notes. these are in there, they're supportive of the stuff above, and I've ticked everything off. So you can say, sweet, excellence.